Dear learners, today we just discuss how to handle the file related operations by using the object oriented programming. So here whenever we want to work with the file, then we have to use the stream. So stream is nothing but it is a sequence of characters or bytes in the continuous fashion. So we use the file input stream or file output stream. So from the file we can read the data with the help of input stream, and we can give the input to the program, or from the program we can get the output, and we can, with the help of output stream, we can write the data into the file. So this is the particular file hierarchy for the file. That is, it includes the IF stream, that is input file stream, OF stream, that is output file stream, and EF stream, which includes both the facility, that is included for the input as well as output. Again, file buff is used to store the buffer inside the file handling mechanism. So OF stream is used to represent the output stream, and it is used to write the data into the file. Again, IF stream is used for the input stream and used for the reading the data from the file. F stream is used for both, that is input as well as output stream, and which can be used for read as well as write from and to the file. Again, whenever we use the file handling mechanism, then we have to import the header file, that is F stream. So inside the F stream we can perform the different operations related to the file handling. First one, create the file or open the file by using the open function, then read the data from the file by using read function, write the data into the file by using the write function, and at the end we can close the particular file. So this is the particular so whenever we want to open the particular file, then there are the two ways to open the file. So first way, by using the stream object. So this is the first way to open the file by using the stream object. So here OF stream, so OF stream outf, and in bracket the file name that can be used to create the particular object, and we open the atom file. So inside that particular file we open the file, and we can enter the particular value, or we can write the value into the file by using outf, then insertion operator and the name variable. Again similarly we can write the cost inside the file, and after that we can close the outf object. Again we can read the data from the file by using the if stream, then with the help of the object and the extraction operator we can read the data from the file. So these are the two syntaxes which reads the name and cost from the file, and finally we close the particular file. So this is the first way by using the stream object, and second way by using the open function. So we create the OF stream object, then with the help of fout dot open, and in bracket we have to just pass the file name which we want to open, and again with the help of fout we can write the data into the file. Again we can write the data into the file, and with the help of this syntax again we can read the data from the file. So again fin object we just create, and with the help of if stream, and we can read the data line by line by using the getLine function, and we just display that particular data. So up to how, that is up to end of the particular file. So these are the different file opening modes. So iOS double colon app is used for append mode. So it just add the particular output or particular file data at the end of the present file. Then iOS colon 80 double colon 80, that is open the file for output and move the read write control to the end of the file. Then ios double colon in for reading the data, ios double colon out for writing the data. Then ios double colon trunc is used if file is already exists, it just delete the data and it just start from the new. Again, different functions are present to perform the operations. So tailp, tailg, seekp and seekg. So tailp is used to tells the current position for the put pointer. Again, tailg is used to tell the current position for the get pointer. So again, seekp is used to move the particular pointer from the mentioned location. Again, seekg is used to get the whatever the pointer location. So whenever we open the particular file, by default it is at the start position and it just read the data up to end. But suppose I want to read the data from the in middle, then we have to use the particular seekp and seekg functions and tailp and tailg functions. Thank you.